Okay, so starting off the vlog, we are headed to Canada right now. So the plan is going to be spending maybe some time in the city, maybe a couple hours, and then we're gonna try and head to one of the nearby lakes. I say nearby, it's probably gonna be like 2 hours away, and then do some camping there, which would be pretty cool. So we have a few different areas kind of spotted out, but there's a bunch of traffic right now. We just passed like a massive fire, which I thought was kind of the cause of the traffic, but I guess it's unrelated. But we should still be making some pretty good time. Like actually getting to downtown Vancouver should only take about three and a half hours now. Again, we're driving kind of down from Olympia, so not too far at least. So yeah, we'll get over there. I'll probably shoot some B-roll if there's anything else cool, anything more interesting than traffic, I guess. And yeah, take you guys along for the ride.
No.
Firearm or weapon coming in?
No, sir.
Nothing at all for personal protection from
No.
animals or anything?
No.
Okay, all set.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Okay, we are in Canada. How's it feel being in Canada? Super different, huh?
You heard that?
Yeah. Well, everything looks so Canadian.
Whoa.
You think that person's a Canadian? Oh, it's a Canadian dumpster.
Whoa. Is that cool?
It's got a maple leaf on it. That's how you know it's Canadian. Yeah, so we were going to go to like the Vancouver like city, like downtown Vancouver first, but the lake that we're trying to go to is like 2.5 hours away from Vancouver. So we're trimming like almost an hour and a half just going through the border crossing a little bit closer to the lake and just going up straight to there. Right now we should be getting to the area around 3 p.m. which should be good because we still probably need to find like a decent spot. Might take like 30 minutes or something, hopefully not any longer. And then we're gonna set up, which is gonna take like an hour or so. So yeah, I think we'll have a decent amount of time just kind of chilling by the water if we can find a good spot by the water. But yeah, at this point it's just going to be trying to find a decent spot. Yeah, we had to pull over and change the odometer to kilometers per hour because it wasn't actually like showing it originally. So yeah, I didn't really consider Canada going with kilometers per hour. We were in the UK and they were doing miles per hour, so I mean, it's an easy thing to get used to. You kind of just change it on the screen, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so we went to a gas station so we can pick up some bear spray since all of my guns were either prohibited or restricted, I think, is what you call it. So I could have brought one of them, but it would have been a little kind of annoying. So I just got some bear spray. So for while we're out there, we have something. But we're still like an hour and a half away. So yeah, I guess we'll enjoy the view because right now it looks pretty freaking dope. I mean, check this out. Yeah. You wanna show them? Point. You can point and be like, ooh, look, cool. All right, first Canadian taste test. I've never seen this before, but it's Cadbury, so it must be pretty lit. And it says, prepared in Canada. So this is some true Canadian candy, so let's try it out. It's kind of melted a little bit, but... Okay, bro. Okay, Milo, here you go. Stella. Okay, and that's everybody. What are you rated at? 10 out of 10. I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10. What was also kind of interesting is at the gas station they had like a bunch of ammo behind the counter, which I don't know if that's like a normal thing, but they had like a bunch of ammo. They had bear spray, some airsoft guns even, which I don't know, I mean, kind of cool, I guess, to get some ammo just at like a gas station. Yeah, that's not really too common in the US, like at all. Okay, so I don't know, it's probably been like 3-4 hours since I last kind of checked in. So we went all around this giant lake here, and turns out on Canada Day there's a lot of people camping. There's probably a lot of people camping on the weekend anyway, especially it's like a Saturday today. But with Canada Day, it's yeah, it's popping. So it took a while to actually find a spot, but we did find this awesome one. So you can see here we have the tent set up. We're gonna set up our stove over here. I was supposed to doing a fire, especially with Canada. I know right now they don't really want a whole lot of like actual campfires. So we're gonna set up our stove here, and that should be good. We'll get some food going. But yeah, it's nice being by a creek because you kind of have that sound when you're sleeping and stuff, so you're not like hearing all the branches breaking. So this is the kind of creek. So it actually empties out like right over there, and we were trying to set up over because that's like the massive lake. I'll get a shot later on, but that's the lake over there. I was trying to set up over there, but there's just not that much room, especially like with the tent being this big. Like it's pretty convenient to just park here, set up here, and then be like right next to the creek. So really can't complain. I'm gonna get the drone and bring it out over there and get some drone shots. That'll be pretty freaking sick.
Yeah, it would.
But I'm gonna eat first because I'm starving. You think I can get this in the water?
Yes.
Ooh. Alright. Easy does it.
Easy.
So easy.
It's round.
Not that one.
Yeah.
No, that one's not very good either. I think we might just have to do it from here, Milo. Let's go over to the land and we'll launch it. Okay. Alright. So let's set this up. No, we don't have any service. Okay.
Yeah, that's the drone. Is that controller?
Yep. Just gonna hook it up to this phone.
At least it doesn't die.
Yeah, we got 3 batteries for the drone, and I charged. Thank you. I charged the controller.
I hear parrots eating monkeys.
There's no parrots or monkeys here.
Huh?
I hear some birds, but I don't think it's a parrot, dude. I don't think we have them over here. Even in Canada. Would be cool though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you see the drone?
Yeah. Yeah.
A little windy, but it shouldn't be too bad.
Too bad.
I'll wait for this breeze to go away. Okay, we're recording. Whew, okay, well, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It looks like it's getting pretty dark, but that's just because, I mean, we're in the forest. Sun's probably still not really gonna go down for like another 2 hours, especially being like a little bit further north. But yeah, got some drone shots. I'll probably send the drone up again, like right over here, just to kind of maybe catch some like sunset kind of views. But I can't really put it that high. So if I can't get it above the trees, then yeah, it's not really gonna be that good of a view. Yeah, so we're chilling. I'm gonna have some tea actually. I brought some Yorkshire Gold, so I'm gonna enjoy some of that, and then we're gonna break out the s'mores. We got some Mr. Beast chocolate because we wanted to make some bougie s'mores, I guess. So that should be pretty cool.
Whoa.
What?
Mosquito bit my back and my shirt.
Oh my goodness! The lower is so much. Yeah, isn't it pop so much?
Bro, it's popping so much now.
Look, is it gonna pop open on itself?
Yep, it's gonna explode and hot popcorn is gonna fly all over our skin and burn it.
Oh, it's not. Noah! Look! Hey, oh my goodness! It's gonna pop open! Boom! Is that made out of tinfoil?
Yep.
Tinfoil? Oh, it's a popcorn. Can we open it up now better?
Alright.
There you go.
Okay, let's be very careful here. Yeah, some of these will shift a little bit, so you gotta be careful. This one's safe, but then all of these like move a little bit.
That's good that we have the stick.
See?
Because if I wasn't gonna bounce, and I might fall.
We don't like surfing.
He does not like surfing.
Whoa.
A big spider on me!
Surfing? How is it not like surfing?
It's kind of like surfing, but I've never gone
Well, I
surfing.
feel like I'm in like Moana.
No! You're definitely not in Moana.
I'm going beyond the, where do they go? Beyond the waves or something?
They are trying to save
Oh,
the...
but past the
the
reef,
ocean.
I think they go, yeah, but I think they go past the reef.
I'm gonna put the camera up so they can, so they'll be able to see the thing fly up, and then there's a mosquito biting me.
Bro, you got it?
Yeah, I got it off.
Okay, this should be a good one. Whoa!
Whoa!
You saw it like skimmed. Okay.
It skipped.
All right, I'm taking a video.
No! Put me up here. No, restart it. No, get off.
No more restarts.
No.
You got it.
No, Daddy.
All right, YouTube's watching.
Restart it. Yeah, restart it.
Okay, I restarted it.
Everywhere. Not.
Are you playing Minecraft?